morning crafters. I'm showered and I've been having a play, even though I said I'd crack straight on with these videos. I'm terrible and I can't help myself. The minute I get near this craft room, I just have to throw myself into paint or something. Anyway, yeah, I had a lovely cup of coffee in that garden this morning. Hope some of you get to watch me video. Okay, just wanted to finish off this little project I've been working on. The wonderful Diane Cross Dabblings in Craft give me those stencils, wonderful stencils, as I just said. Look at those, beautiful. Was very generous of you, Diane, and I'm absolutely thrilled with them. And I made the papers that are I'm going to show you in this next project. Okay, now then, Two Old Crows Mixed Media, the lovely Peg. She's done a flag journal. It's a process video, and it's like a flag accordion journal. She done all her papers on the gel press, which that's obviously what inspired me first. The gel papers, absolutely love them. And she got the idea. Someone told her to purchase The Art of the Fold, a book, and well, I'm just, mine doesn't open like hers did. It's not as, hers is just such an easy flow. Peg's, sorry, not hers. Peg's is such an easy flow, but I've given it a go. Anyway, there it is. And because obviously what we've got going on at the moment, with our, our Queen's Jubilee and all the preparation and all the red, white and blue flags that's everywhere at the moment, when I saw flag journal, that is what popped into my mind. So that's what I did. Okay, on the jelly prints, I used cobalt blue. I used vermilion red and obviously your titanium white. And I made all these jelly prints. And then I made the two hard covers, as you can see, look at that, with Diane Cross Dabblings in Crafts stencils, beautiful. And then I rubbed around the outside in this gilding wax, which is a bit old. It was got in that that D-stash. Let me show you. Look, it's had better days. Can you see it's all coming away from the side? But I've just managed to get it to work, and I've gone all around the edge with that, just to age it a little bit. Okay, now pop over to Peg's channel, Two Old Crows Mixed Media. She's also got 52 cards, and she's done them last year and she's doing them again this year, slightly different, seeing if she can improve on each playing card, which is a wonderful series also. I just love her channel, absolutely lovely. And obviously what got me interested in Peg's channel was the fact that I was on Facebook and she does an ATC swap, and I've got involved in that, and I'm thrilled because as you know, doing them myself as my challenge, but also I'm very into these ATCs at the moment, and I think I'm calling myself a retirement home for ATCs now. I think that's what I'm going to have to call myself. So if you've got any laying around your craft room that need to be loved, please pop them in an envelope and send them to me, please. And then you'll get a chance to win the prizes that I'm going to pop up in the next couple of videos. Okay, so there we are. Back cover. She gives you the dimensions for the back cover. She gives you that, so you need a front and a back cover. And then obviously inside the cover, and then this is the spine, an accordion spine. So that's where it gets its name, the accordion journal. There's its spine. So you attach the front and the back cover to the accordion spine. And then inside, I decided to keep with the theme of the red, white and blue. And I've put all the ATCs in there. And I am going to write on them. Anything during the, during this celebration weekend that's coming up, I'm going to write any little somethings that's go on. I know the kids, the grandkids have got some street parties to go to, so it's all going to be cool. And obviously I'll see if I can get So now there we are. So this is pretty cool. So you got the front, the back. You saw how I've just gone through it, and then this is what you do. Isn't that fabulous? And again, let's do it from this side. Are you ready? I couldn't get over it. And then it stands up like this. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, it just flips over. So it just flips over like a book. There we go. I've got I've got some of that sari silk, would you believe? And there's not. I've got some of that sari silk that oh, there is. Oh, look at that, and it's attached to a nearly red. I don't suppose I'd be lucky enough for there to be more. Look at that lovely blue. It's like a bluey green. Dee from Betsy Doodle went and got some, so I thought, oh, I'll have some of them. And oh, there's a blue too, bit tartan, lovely. Oh well, anyway, I shall see what I can find for the enclosure, but it will be something like that, just wrapped round. And I've got a couple of little tiny, no, I've not got them handy, little tiny crowns, little silver crowns, so I will put those on the end, and then that will just be a little something to sit there. You can see it's slightly out of cut there. Can you see? If I was to bring it back, that was my folding of the accordion papers, but you get the idea. So there we are, my Jubilee flag accordion book. But like I say, Pegs is stunning. Pegs just opens, flips across, boom, 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 pop out, and it's in the most gorgeous colours, cream and golds and tea stain. Please go and have a look. It's fabulous. So there we are. I'll leave you the accordion, and if you have a go, oh, please put it up. Please put it up for me to see and tag me in it so I can see it. Only I'm not getting everyone's videos at the moment, and if you're not getting a reply to the message that you've put on my video, can you let me know? Only I've replied to, you know what I'm like, I love a comment and I like to comment back. So I've commented on all of them, and every single one of my videos, the comments are showing nothing. Like before, it used to have, you know, that I'd commented on it, how many comments was on it. You know, say for instance, if you commented and then I commented back, it would have 2 there. And you commented again, it would have 2 there. So very strange. I don't understand why it's doing that. So if you've not got a reply to my comment and it's something that you wanted to know, please just let me know, will you? Because I don't know what I've done. It keeps turning the comments off. So I don't know what I've done. Anyway, there you go. One accordion, flag accordion journal. Thank you for the inspiration, Peg. Absolutely love your channel. I love your calm delivery, informative, and I love the mixed media part of it. Absolutely fabulous. Okay, crafters, got to prepare for the next video. Going to do a couple more ATCs are turned up. Oh, thrilled to bits. Thank you. I can't get over it.